We are less than 2 months away from the official unpacked for the Galaxy S24 series, and well, we just got another new hands-on images of the S24 Ultra, revealing exciting upgrades and changes. We also have massive news regarding what could be the camera sensor for the Galaxy S25 Ultra next year. But first, let's take a look at the hands-on images of the S24 Ultra. These hands-on images are coming courtesy of the Chinese news website called Sogi. They had a brief hands-on time with the S24 Ultra model, compared it to the S23 Ultra, and also shared some more secrets. So on the top we have the S23 Ultra, on the bottom we have the S24 Ultra. You can see there is a brand new speaker grill which is now completely a one strip instead of several holes in the previous flagship phones. This new speaker design is likely an indication of a better speaker than previous generation. Now next to the speaker, you can notice that the microphone is missing, and it's not missing, they actually moved that on the top of the phone. So now you have two microphones on the top compared to the one that we had on the S23 Ultra, as you can see in the side-by-side images. Going on to the sides, you can once again see the camera lenses as well as the same positioning for the power and volume keys. These buttons are said to be slightly bigger than the S23 Ultra, just a little bit. The big important change to notice is that the sides of the S24 Ultra as well as the bottom and the top is now using titanium compared to the normal aluminum of previous phones. According to the source, Galaxy S24 Ultra not only looks flatter but also feels flatter. It is indeed a proper flat display. Now according to the source, the middle frame of the S24 Ultra is slightly thicker compared to the S23 Ultra, and that could be because of the new 2 times bigger thermal cooling solution compared to the previous generation. This change ensures the best performance out of the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. So there we go. Thanks to the old and the new hands-on images, we now have the full visual review look of the S24 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Now for those of you who are using the S23 Ultra, waiting for the S25 Ultra might be a very good decision, because according to the latest leak, Samsung is planning to bring their biggest Samsung camera upgrade ever. Yes, Samsung has apparently finalized the specifications for their 1-inch camera sensor with a 200 megapixel output. Because of a bigger size and a higher megapixel output, this sensor will offer a lossless 4x sensor zoom. If all goes smoothly, a 1-inch 200 megapixel sensor could be the perfect upgrade for the S25 Ultra compared to the S24 Ultra and the S23 Ultra's 200 megapixel sensor. This leak is completely in line with what Samsung is planning for the next 5 years, which is a 440 megapixel sensor with a 1-inch sensor size. So if you're using the S23 Ultra, the S25 Ultra will bring some significant changes. Definitely a lot to look forward to in 2025. But for all the other people who are using flagship phones before the S23 Ultra, for them the S24 Ultra is looking like a pretty big upgrade. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.